Okay, I'm going to do part 2 in case you're watching this at home and you need to know how to do this. So you need to copy the line segment onto a grid paper and draw a square from the line. And the best way that I can think about do this or teach you how to do this is to, from one dot to the other, do kind of like the rise and the run. So this one, we go up 1, 2, 3, 4, and then it goes over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So for our next dot, we need to go up 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, turn the corner here, and go down 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So our next dot is right there. For our next dot, again, we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, turn the corner, go 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Last dot is right there. And now we've made a square. From there, we can make the square that goes on the outside and touches corners, vertices, and solve it as we would just like the other one. So the big square, we know it to be 7 plus 4, which is 11. So this side's 11, this side's 11. So we got 11 times 11 is going to give us 121. That's the big square. So this whole thing. And now let's look at minusing these smaller triangles. Okay, so remember we can find the area of these triangles by doing the base times the height. So we already figured that out. 4 times 7 is the base times the height divided by 2. 4 times 7 is 28 divided by 2. 28 divided by 2 is 14. Okay, wonderful. So now we found that each of these right here covers 14 squares. There's 4 of them, right? So we got to times that by 4, which is going to give us, let me do my calculator, 14 times 4, 56. So now let's go, I'm going to write it down. Big square minus triangles. Okay, so that's 121 minus 56. I use my calculator. 121 minus 56 equals 65. So that's the area of the square, equals area. And this is asking us for the length of the line segment. So we need to remember our relationship between a square and the side length. We need to find the square root of 65 to get that side length. So I know this is going to be a decimal. I know 65 is not one of our perfect squares. So let's press square root button. 8.06. 8.06. Let's call it units. And there you go. So that's how you do those ones. If it's just a line, you got to make the box first and then solve as we did up here. Okay, thank you so much.